Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into creating spaces that feel both functional and beautiful. This time we're focusing on apartment living, the common areas. We're talking about high traffic spots like lobbies, hallways, and fitness centers that can make or break a tenant's experience. Whether you're a property owner or a renter, I'm sharing practical and stylish ideas to make these areas shine. Let's get started. Welcome to our guide on transforming your property with strategic upgrades to common areas and amenities. Common areas often get overlooked, but they shouldn't. These spaces are the first impression for potential renters and an extension of current tenants' homes. Sometimes it's the little things that make the biggest difference. A fresh coat of paint, updated lighting, or comfortable seating can completely change the vibe. Let's start with the entryway. The lobby is the first impression, the handshake that welcomes residents and guests. Think about incorporating warm, natural elements like wood accents and a cozy seating area. And don't forget about the hallways. Consider adding some artwork, maybe even a gallery wall featuring local artists. Personal touches can make a space feel more inviting. More people are looking for convenient ways to stay active without leaving their building. A well-equipped fitness center can be a huge draw. Focus on essentials like cardio machines, free weights, and yoga mat storage. If possible, position your fitness center in a spot with plenty of natural light. One of my favorite things about apartment living is the sense of community it can foster. Create inviting lounge areas with comfy sofas, plenty of charging stations, and maybe even a coffee bar. Let's talk amenities, those little extras that can set a property apart. Think about what would make life easier and more enjoyable, like a packaged delivery room or a bike storage area. A clubhouse or community room is a blank canvas for creating memorable experiences. Incorporate flexible furniture, a projector screen for movie nights, and a kitchenette for potlucks and parties. If you have outdoor space, make the most of it. Even a small patio or courtyard can be transformed into an inviting oasis. Think string lights, comfy outdoor furniture, and maybe a fire pit for chilly evenings. If you have the space and budget, consider amenities like a pool or a designated dog park. These features can be a huge draw and show that you care about the well-being of your tenants and their pets. We've covered a lot today, but I hope you feel inspired to reimagine your property's common areas. It's all about creating spaces that feel welcoming, functional, and stylish. Spaces that make tenants proud to call their building home. Start small, focus on one area at a time, and have fun with it. Inject your personality into these spaces. Happy renovating, everyone. By enhancing common areas and adding amenities, you can create a more attractive and functional living environment for your tenants.